Welcome back to Skibbity Tech. Today, I'm showing you the most trusted and reliable way to install ESign and IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without a PC and without jailbreak. And yes, this method works on iOS 15, 16, 17, and even the latest iOS to 6.2.1, which I'm testing myself right now. Let's get started. First of all, download the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Safari, and then open Skibbity Tech website. I will add the website link in the description. Then hit on Get Started, and then hit Allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Setting, and then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install Downloaded Profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now you will see Skibbity Tech app on your iPhone or iPad home screen. Now simply open the Skibbity Tech app. Now you will see different ESign, Scarlet, Feather Signer links there. Simply hit on Get on the first ESign link, and then hit Install to install ESign in your iPhone or iPad.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion.
Once ESign is installed in your iPhone or iPad, now open Settings, and then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management. Then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and restart to let ESign app work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see that the ESign app will start working properly without any problem. Now open the Skibbity Tech app again. Then hit on Search option at bottom. Now hit on Get on the first search link. Then hit on More option, and then hit on Save to Files, and then hit on Save to save the search zip file in your iPhone or iPad. Now open your Files folder. Then simply hit on the Save Search zip file. It will give you a new search folder with 3 files in it. One of them have password. Now simply copy the password. Now open ESign app, and then hit on 3 dots on top, and then hit on Import. Now first select the mobile provision file from the new search folder. Then hit on 3 dots again, and then hit on Import, and then select the P12 file from the new search folder. Once both files are imported, now first hit on Imported Mobile Provision File, and then hit Import again. Then hit on Imported P12 file, and then hit Import Certificate Management, and then simply paste the password in it, and then hit OK. And now we are good to use ESign app. Now hit on 3 dots on top, and then hit on Import, and then select the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad, and then hit Import again. Once the IPA file is imported, now hit on Apps option, and then hit on your imported IPA file. Then hit on Signature, and then hit on More Settings, and then scroll down at bottom, and then enable the second last option, and then hit Signature again.
Just gotta count on myself, no help from anyone else. The bullets fly with the shells. I'm gonna start to rebel and build an army to help.
Now hit Install, and then hit Install again to install IPA file in your iPhone or iPad.
It's time to go all in. I'm bringing all of my friends, and now we're playing to win. We ride or die to the end.
Alright guys, that's the updated, safest, and most reliable method to install ESign and IPA files on iPhone and iPad without a PC or jailbreak, fully supporting iOS 15, 16, 17, and iOS 18, and even iOS to 6.2.1. If this helped you, smash that like button, comment what you installed, and subscribe for more iOS tips and tricks. See you in the next video.